Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your text, how to add text, change colors, add shadows, and animate your text as well. So, overall, this video is all about text in Canva. If you don't know about Canva, it's a great site for designing and simple video editing. And it's really useful for beginners who don't know how to create graphics or have any experience or creativity in design. So just hop into Canva and create an account. After creating it, just go to any page size. And then we'll move on to adding text and animating or working with text. To do that, go to the text option on the left sidebar, and you'll see there are lots of options available here. These are for text headings. Go with the heading, and if your text is a subheading, choose the subheading. For now, let's go with the heading and just drag it into position. Just double-click on it, and you can write whatever you want. This one is the heading, and I want to add a subheading as well, and this one. And then I go to the body text as well. So yeah, these are the three types of text: heading, subheading, and body. Now let's change the color. To change the color, just click on the text you want to change. And above, you can see the text color option for the color. And just like this, you can change the color. Same way with the body text. Now let's change the font of the text. Select the text and go to the font option and change it to whatever you like. For example, this one is a heading, and for the subheading and all the body text, you can change it as well. All right, these are the different options. If you want to make it cursive, that's available as well. Maybe you want to make it italic. Just click on it and it will make it italic. If you want to underline it, that's available too. If you want to accordion, it's available here. If you want to change all the text at once to uppercase, that's available too. Just click. Now, let's talk about how you can add shadow to your text. Just select it and go to the effects. Now you'll see different options available. Just play around with the effects for your text. If you want to make it copy, it's available here. Just play with it, right? There are lots of options available for you in the free version. I'm using the free version, so you can do the same with other text. Now we've reached how you can animate your text. Just select the text you want to animate, go to Animate, and just like this. If you want to do it with the word, select this one. And if you choose the line, it requires the Pro version. But don't worry, this looks good, right? If you want to do the same, follow the same process. Select the text, go to Animate, and maybe choose Typewriter. If it needs Pro, go with the available one, and this way you can animate. If you want to preview your design and animation, just preview it. And yeah, this is how it looks. And yeah, that's the simple process. How you can animate, how you can add text, how you can change your text colors, and if you want to make it bold, that's available. Yeah, some fonts don't allow bold, but this way you can bold it as well. So yeah, that's the simple process. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any queries about this video, just comment below. I'll be answering all your questions, and I'll see you in the next video. If this video helped you, then please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any queries about this video, just comment below. I'll be answering all your questions, and I'll see you in the next video.